Good morning, guys. What's up, guys? Absolutely, how to say it, stupid start of the day for me. Because I get part of the manipulation. I become part of the manipulation. Tell me, how are you today? Because just a second to check something. So, excuse me. Now I entered sell here and cut the losses on the copy trading account, exit early, but initially of course it's my mistake because I rushed to enter early. I still think that the movement will be on the downside here, but of course until we see a nice breakout, nothing is sure. It's just a suggestion. So now if we see a breakout on the upper side, however, it might lead for the price to go up. Let me start from the higher time frames again, as every day. Okay, let me open another chart to see what we have. Okay. Yeah, look guys, now I will erase this. On the daily time frame we can see that the price has created a rejection here. One, two, three times. Resistance zone. After that we can see a breakout and a test of the zone. That's why yesterday was the same. I'm one hell of a stupid guy. I go on the small frames to search for breakouts, but initially all we have to do is to make our deep analysis on the market to see what is possible and what not. So potentially we have a breakout of this resistance and the price returns to test it. That means that the price could continue to go up, because when the price forms such zones, breaks them, tests them, and initially it becomes like here, huge upward movement, and the price creates a support zone. So until this support zone is broken, this means that the price consolidates and starts to move up, initially breaking the highs, another consolidation, these resistance zones, resistance breakout test, and now probably the price will continue to go up. There is a possibility here, yeah, you can see what a pin bar. There is also a possibility to see, of course, we are just observing what is possible and what not, but I think that here we might see a Quasimodo pattern. Now the price may return to this area and to see a huge fall. Of course, we're just going to see, because yesterday I thought that here you can see on DXY this starts to form like a potential head and shoulders. Of course, potential. If it doesn't break the neckline, it's not head and shoulders, but if it's a head and shoulders eventually, this means that the price could start to go up. Look at this again, a head and shoulders here. So we are going to observe it, and if the price starts to go up, it means that gold will fall. But these are only possibilities. We have a zone here, this red candle right here. Price rejected from the resistance. Market is awful, guys. You have to know it. Very, very awful. I made some mistakes on the copy trading. Of course, nothing happened, because this is a long term. I will not call it game, because it's not a game. But we have to look at it long term. So now the price again, I think it's getting rejected. Let me check. Okay, there is still no breakout on the RSI. However, we have a divergence formed. Let me check on 4 hour. There is no breakout for buy, I think. You have to know that these RSI breakouts works. Oh, there is a RSI. Oh. Okay. Breakout happened with the previous candle. Okay. Let me check something. Now, if I have to make predictions for now, I think that the price will fall to break the Asia low. And from here, the price will start to go up. Of course, today is Friday, a day for huge manipulations, and also probably something like this, or we can even put it from here, something like this. You can see the price Still don't want to break this area. Probably it's still early. But I rushed a little bit with my entry. I exit early, but it booked me a loss, which make me very, I have to be honest with you, this morning starts not very well, because I get a little bit frustrated. I let myself feel the emotions of rushing into a trade, so I will probably now be more patient and I'm not. Yesterday I tricked myself to observing the charts on 1 minute, which was absolute mistake. Yeah, one person from the group is writing me. Yeah, I know that for now it looks like a dynamic support. However, oh my god, the DXY falls with gaps. Yeah. Also, I have to tell you that if you're in the inner circle, I post a sell option trade, and that was because I saw this gap right here, and I was like, when the price starts to go up, breaking these three tops, I was like, okay, it will at least return to test the gap, not to test it, but to fill it. However, this didn't happen, and the price now starts to fall, which again guys, is my mistake, because I rushed a little bit. I should wait to see a good candle, probably a test, like I mistake. What to tell? Here I can show you in the inner circle. Look, I draw it with a breakout and a test, and I myself rushed to enter. But this is part of trading. Sometimes it's like this. The sell trade just saw a post signal an hour ago. Yeah, are we still in the sell trade? I just saw you posted a signal an hour ago. Yeah, I actually exited the trade on the copy trading, but the trade is still going because the stop is on 9.7 here. But as I told you, I still think that it is a possible outcome, because I think that the price might break the Asia low, because you can see here there is no Asia high. This is like a pre-London. So I thought if the price wants to go up, like the higher time frame suggests, so because of course yesterday we had a huge falling here, but this was part of the news, so it's not necessary that this could tell us that the price will initially continue to fall. Of course, we trade based on what is happening, so we will wait, of course. Also, you have to know that Fridays, since some time from now, Fridays are very manipulative. We have to be very patient, and also there are some news today that Okay. Of course, this is one possible outcome. The other, of course, is the price to this to be a good trend line and the price to fall to test this resistance again, which now may become a support. So it might test, because look, if the price wants to go up, it will probably return to test the support, or not to test the support, but to test the resistance, and initially to create a support area. Now if it just continue to go up, it still might be also a manipulation, and because that's how the price works, it creates support and resistance areas. You can see on the smaller time frames again here, 1 2 3 4 5 resistance, breakout, test, 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 and after that potential breakout. So this is how market works. It creates levels. And just guys, give me a second to check something, because someone is having problems with entering the copy trade. So for now, oh, just a second, excuse me. For now, we are waiting for something to happen. Oh. Tan Tanmoy. Ne. No, Tamiumukiwan. You have a difficult name, man. That you're writing me in Telegram. Please write in the YouTube live. Is there any link to get your strategy very fast? What does this mean? How you can get my strategy, like some educational videos or something like that? So, okay, now GXY will go to fulfill this gap, probably to fulfill this gap also. Of course, we are not going to depend on this because it might trick us, but okay, I will not draw this, but okay, we have to be patient because still is really early to do anything. Okay, probably now the breakout will happen, of course. Stupid ass market. Good morning, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button on the video and to see. So now I don't want to draw it because I don't want new people that are entering to risk, but we have a sell. I think it's somewhere here, and the stop is on 97. For now the price is just wandering around, figuring out probably where it should go. I think that I told you, but GXY is falling math. I think that the price will at least break the Asia low, and from there we'll see what will happen. Potentially it will go to this area right here to test and to create a support. But I booked a lot here, and now I'm really thinking whether I should enter again. So I will not draw the the trade that we entered, but probably just like I will make it like that. And from here we will see whether the price will continue or it will get rejected. But you can see they're still pushing it. Absolutely no volumes for now. We are going to be patient, and I might even stay away from trades today. I will see how things will go. But because it's Friday and from next week, from Monday, we will start the trading as it is in my plan, because the idea, but I will see, because I'm managing it. People just have to be patient. I will see how I will manage the risk, but I don't want to put more risk than I should into trades, and I try to cut the losses to maximum 2% of the account. Okay, I think that now the price will start to go down. Or no. Ooh. Okay, then still pretty unsure. Absolutely not good volumes for now. Yeah. Still not ready, probably. Guys, tell something. What do you think? It will break to the upper side or it will fall? What will going to happen? Also, let's just check today. At 3:30 we don't have something so impactful, but after that Fed Chair Powell will speak at 5 p.m. on new home sales, and after that, okay, Fed Chair Powell, when he speaks, he definitely creates impacts on the market. So we have to be careful around these time zones. I mean time periods. Here I draw a potential head and shoulders, but I think that it might not happen. Of course, we'll see. But as I told you, on 4 hours, we have to have in mind that the price already made a breakout on the RSI. And if you know this strategy, you know that it is actually very powerful indicator when the price breaks the RSI. There is one like button here. On 30 minutes. Yes. Here also we have a breakout. Yeah, there is also a divergency. Yeah. But we have to wait for a good candle. Probably like this one. I don't know. You can see how slow the market is. I really think that DXY will fulfill these gaps right here. But whether it will happen now, I don't know. And unfortunately, this morning I booked a loss. And now I'm very... What was the word? I'm thinking whether I should enter again. Because I don't want to book 2 losses on one trade. Even 3 losses. And you can see how it starts to go and being rejected. Starts to go and being rejected. So it's early. It's early. We should be patient. A little bit more patient. Because initially if it breaks on the upper side, we don't have to do anything else but potentially to buy it. So but we'll see. some of the people in the group told me that they exited here on break even, which is not bad. You have to manage your account properly. If there is another breakout, you could enter again. That's one of the way to manage the risk. I also did that. Unfortunately, I closed on loss, not on break even, but I didn't want to wait to here because on these small accounts, 60-70 pips means 3.5% risk that I don't want to take right now, but initially it happens from time to time. Retest done as per your chart. Look, if we go on 1 minute, which is not good anymore, but you can see clearly the price is creating a triangle. I don't trade those patterns. We can adjust it a little bit probably, but when the price is creating this, it will break on eventually. This triangle means that the price will break to somewhere. We will see to where, but this is accumulation, and now the price will break and starts to go in some direction. It probably is just figuring out to where exactly. Yeah, it's actually let me go on the other chart. We can do something probably like that. We will adjust it so it match our visions, but something like that, and probably until we see some breakout, it will not be ready for selling, because you can see this tells us it's okay, but if we go on the rejections, it's still a wait. But initially I still keeping my thoughts that the price will go down. Okay, I think the train is going. Okay, let's fall now. So first, if it starts to fall, our first area will be this bottom from the Asia low. After that, we might even expect a little bit more fall, but we'll see. Absolutely not ready. Very shitty market. I should exit the trade and exit the life and go somewhere to drink coffee. I don't like slow markets like that with nothing up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Nothing interesting, only frustrating. I already get frustrated from this morning. I let myself get angry. I can be perfectly honest with you because I get this pretty in my heart with the copy trading because I put, of course, not only your money and my too, but I put my head in this and my reputation, so I clearly get very frustrated. Uh, so uh, if this trade don't turn to the downside, I will probably not going to trade anymore today because I already feel frustrated, and when I feel frustrated I make mistakes, guys, and I don't want to make mistakes anymore. So I will cut this now and continue on Monday. I will get a nice rest because even yesterday I couldn't sleep well, and uh, I wake up feeling super tired, and probably that's why I started the day with mistakes. I feel a little bit rushy and stuff like that, but I think that, oh no, I will definitely not enter live again today. as I told you guys, my day started with feeling very tired and book a loss. So I feel that probably I might not even trade on New York session today because there is Chair Powell, which is Friday. The market will be very tough again. So I will see, but I don't know. You can see more than it will become 2 hours. The market is in some range and something like that. I really hope that the price now will start to fall, but we'll see. As I told you, I expect to see a breakout on the bottom of the Asia session. Yeah, of course. What else could possibly happen? Ah, why this come here? Yeah. Not only that is in range, but there is absolutely no power for now to go down, guys. I think if they even might push it to the upper side today. Stop loss hunting, yeah. But let's wait for this 5-minute candle to see if it starts to go down. We'll see. But for now, absolutely no volumes for sell. At least it looks like this for now. Again, let's wait this 5-minute candle and we will decide what will happen potentially. It's 10:30. Probably it's too early also because these days the movement starts around 11. But DXY is going up. Gold is not moving. Beautiful. Beautiful stupidity. It closes with the breakout, huh? Absolutely playing with our nerves. Ah. Guys, it looks like again there are no volumes for sale, unfortunately, but let's wait. The price is still on the trend line. If it starts to break, we might even cut the stop loss somewhere around these areas and not to risk more, because it starts to look for now that the market is just testing, as one of you write me in Telegram, is playing with our nerves. Yeah. If this 5 minute motherfucker close under the previous rejection, probably it will turn good, but for now come on, break this support here that the price created on the smaller time frames on 1 minute. This whole area, okay, probably like that, becomes like a support. So now we want to see a breakout here, so we know that the price will start to go down. Initially, guys, if you're in the inner circle, you entered somewhere here, so we are almost at break even. 5-6 pips on loss, so it's better than it was before that. Come on, make 30-40 pips now, fast. Why am I even speaking? GXY is going up. This might means two things, guys. First one is that it might, this thinking here might lead to very huge fall. The other thing is that, of course, there are always two possibilities. The other one is just to break out and to continue go up. I just hope that the price will get rejected in the last minutes here, minute and 30, but I have to be honest, it doesn't look good for now. When there is a trend line and the price starts to play around it like that, probably it means that it will not handle it and the price will break it. We'll see. But I start to think that DXY will go to collect the gap and it might start to fall rapidly, or on the news days the price might just consider. Yeah, I know that, but basically there was a rejection, a second one good rejection with huge candles and stuff like that, so what to tell you. Come on, fuck, make 30, 40 pips now. Break the zone. Don't push back, break it. Look, this imaginable support that the price created. Until we see a breakout, DXY is pushing up, gold not. So this range, until we have a breakout. Also, as I told you, this slow movement, and no matter that we have a breakout on this trend line, rejection from the downward trend line, the price is super slow. That's why I'm thinking that we might see a breakout on the upper side, or just to collect some liquidity and might continue to go up today, because on 4 hours it's more like this is just one candle. Probably we have to put it from here. Look, breakout on RSI. There is no divergence, but I think that this rejection from the resistance area might lead to another all-time high. If it's rejected from here, okay, let's say from 61.8, the target would be 2560 eventually. But we will see about that. I will wait a little bit more and probably we'll end the live and end today's trading day, because I'm already, as I told you, frustrated from the whole situation. And there is absolutely no reason for me, when I started the day not so well and I feel frustrated, to continue to try to do something. How to use Fibonacci? Click my YouTube channel, go to my YouTube channel. There are videos about the strategies, some basic strategies that you can use that are trend continuing or trend reversal strategies. Yeah, guys, have in mind that probably if now the price don't start to fall, the GXY might touch the gap and it might start to go up. Guys, are you going to do? And oh, why don't you trade something else? This looks so static. No, I'm only focused on gold. When GXY is pumping and gold doesn't move, this means that gold waits for GXY to fall and gold will go up then. Yeah, that's what I told you. Looks like a possibility now. Hey, man. Stupid gold. Ah, I don't want to show it to you, but I'm already frustrated from the market. Absolutely awful. Ranging. Guys, now is the moment to tell you that thank you for being with me more than 1 hour. And we're just staring at the charts and didn't talk at all. I still hope that this will close like a pin bar and we went this misery. But Sorry for being silent, but what should I say now, guys? It's super slow market. I still think that the price should go to grab the Asia low before doing whatever it will do. However, I might move the stop here, and because if the price breaks the trend line, there is no possibility to wait for the 97, because I don't think if it breaks this trend line it will just grab the top as a liquidity. Would you consider this a descending triangle pattern? Yeah, there is a possibility I draw it where it was here. Now it looks like, yeah, like a descending, but after this breakout that is happening right now, if the price closes like this, I will get out of the cells that I enter into the inner circle, and I will end today's trading day, because I told you many times I already am super frustrated from the morning. I entered early, I rushed a little bit, booked loss. Now I entered again, I will book another loss, it seems like this. So I definitely will get a rest and continue Monday. Especially for you. Yeah, guys, trading is not frustrating sometimes. When you rush a little bit and make a bad entry, trading is not frustrating at all. Yeah, it looks like they will push the price up, guys. Uh, of course, all that frustration is for 18 pips or 15, something like this. It would be very funny if it wasn't said. I will wait for 10-15 minutes to something to happen and we'll end the live because this is absolutely boring. uh, if you're observing, last Fridays from sometimes now are very not tradable days. Last week I remember Friday was absolutely awful. I think your trade is going to be good. I'm not pretty sure because on 4 hours we have a breakout for buy, because you can see we have a rise, a correction, and it might test of this resistance that may become a support. And we might see a new all-time high, no matter that we had this huge fall. Right here you can see what a huge resistance the price met here, and now it looks like it's breaking. I just thought that the price will first break the Asia low here as a liquidity, because most of the times this is what London do, and after that to make a breakout. But now, okay, it's already gone, guys. And I think this was it. Now we'll probably skyrocket to the moon, but I already booked too many losses here, so I don't have the balls to jump into a buy right now. Ah, guys, Friday. What the? Just a second. Sorry guys. Now if this turns to the downside, I will cut my throat and I will jump from the window. I'm just kidding. So guys, today I think probably Monday, but it depends, I am not sure, or Sunday is the last period to join the copy trading. No matter that I booked losses today, I'm pretty sure that with time I will scale the accounts. So join now and see you on Monday, guys. Not the best day today, but it's part of trading. So probably now the price will start to go to hunt new all-time highs, but be careful because after that there is a Powell speaking and it will create huge impact. Bye for now.